Hello everybody. My name is Markus Flasch. I'm the CEO of BMW M, and I'm here today to present two fascinating and brand new vehicles that we are going to launch middle of this year. To my right it's the X3M and to my left it's the X4M. This is our first time that we combine a high-performance engine in a vehicle of the mid-range SAV segment. We haven't done this before, and the result you see in this car, shown here in Donington Grey, which will be the launch color. You see the very distinctive and recognizable front of an M high-performance vehicle with the air intakes, with the black kidney, so everything that we stand for. What is the core of those two models? It's our brand new straight 6 3-liter displacement, twin turbocharged, 480 horsepower to start with, and then even more, 510 horsepower in the competition version. We've done everything new on this engine. This is the brand new M high performance 6-cylinder. We've modified the water and oil supply to suit racetrack operations. We have significantly increased the torque. We are now comprising 600 Newton meters, and we only achieve the highest possible output at 7,200 revs, which is extremely high for a turbocharged engine, but we think it's very important for the specific character. And talking about character, agility, performance and precision are the core characters of an M vehicle and of an M high performance vehicle specifically. And part of it, or part of achieving this, is stiffness in the front of the vehicle, stiffness in the steering. And you see here the M specific and bespoke strut package with steel struts in the front area. You see cast struts in the back, and then the main strut is even made out of carbon fiber, which is of course costly but worth the money. So let's come to the exterior. On this car you see the competition version with black details, but also with carbon fiber exterior package with splitters in the front, and then we have mirror caps in carbon fiber as well, which in my opinion fit very well to the actually brand new paint job. This is Toronto Red, which will also be the launch color version of the X4M. When we move to the back of the car, I want to take a quick stop to show you the interior and some very neat details we offer. You see the illuminated M badges in the headrests, and when you have a look into the vehicle, you will also see that we took over the operating concept directly from the BMW M5. You will get in this X3M and also in the X4M one-to-one the steering wheel and the gear lever of the M5, and everyone knows what that means. This is actually the best you can get for precision and for operating comfort. You can also see the light curtain that prevents you from messing up your sneakers or whatever you're going to ride this vehicle in. So going to the back and taking on what I just said about the interior, carry over stuff on the M5, we've also done on the powertrain. We've taken over the MX drive system. In this car it will be available in 4-wheel drive set mode and in 4-wheel drive sport mode, and we also have an active M differential in the back. And obviously with the blue details that you're used to, the M compound brakes that will be out of question for performance, for stopping power. Then towards the end, this is actually the most specific part of the X4M. This is where the X4 is truly different from the X3. You can see a carbon fiber rear diffuser with our dual branch exhaust, M dual branch exhaust system with 4 tailpipes, 100 millimeters in diameter, electronically controlled flaps, and an amazing sound that I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds. What is also specific for the X4M is the bespoke gurney spoiler. When you order the carbon exterior package, it's even done in carbon fiber. And the M-specific attention to detail, you can also see here at the nameplate, this is not black paint, this is black chrome galvanized. So let's move on to the X3M. What the gurney spoiler is to the X4 is the bespoke rear spoiler of the X3M. This was created using input of our aerodynamicists as well as our designers. Obviously, it creates or it adds to the downforce in the rear, and it looks cool. So underneath, the vehicles are pretty much similar, so I'm not going to step into this detail. I'd suggest we fire the engine. What do you think? Not so bad, right? If you want to take a quick look again into this vehicle, you'll see the interior in a competition-specific mid-range beige merino leather set. You see two M-specific bucket seats, of course fully electrically adjustable, and again you can see the carried over M5 operating concept with the steering wheel and the gear lever. So folks, this was it. I think we got some very exciting vehicles coming up, and those two vehicles are not just the M versions of an X3 or an X4. These two vehicles to me are pretty much the M3 and the M4 in the SAV segment. And with this, I'm going to leave you. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy.